weight management and superfood, they go hand in hand. It's very obvious and it's very easy to understand what I take in. You know what? I love eating, but if I don't really control myself, I'll be 400 pounds. But you have to really watch what you eat. You have to be really first watch what you are going to be eating in. Then that will help your weight. Imagine that if you have a cupcake and you have a ball of carrots, which is going to be helping you in weight management? Obviously carrots, because it has like really nominal calories. It's going to fill out your stomach. And it's like a really, really will not give you a lot of weight. So you definitely is going to help you. So what I would suggest that you make a meal plan, especially for younger people. Save money also, because these carrots are much cheaper compared to those cupcakes and all those heavy hitter, full of sugar, full of salt things. Those are going to give you definitely lots of weight, and then you are going to be running for the gym to reduce that, get rid of that extra fat.